You would not recognize this cat from a month ago. He was a feral cat and very shy, and he was born in the wild, and I remember the morning that Mary first touched him, and he responded to her touch, and he was still shy, but now he's come right around, and he really likes this attention. We call him Tiptail. I'm sorely tempted to take him upstairs, make him my cat, because he's such a good cat. So much more affectionate than Felix ever was. Felix never liked to be made of. I got Felix as a kitten, and I have to blame myself for how he was brought up, because I was the one that brought him up, but he never did like to stand there and be patted. Sometimes at night, but most of the time nothing. This guy, he likes to be patted. He might find himself an indoor cat someday. Alright, God bless.